maybe you have been in such situations before, you understand a little bit what I mean. Peut-être que vous avez déjà été dans de telles situations, vous comprenez un peu.
We used to say that we come to Taizé almost every year for more than 30 years to meet our friends that we don't know yet. I mean, we found here people who comes from different countries, different churches, different backgrounds, but even though we share same faith and we can enjoy our differences and find that even we come from very different places, we share the same faith and we believe in the same God and we can enrich each other.
I like Taizé because there are people from all over the world and I can communicate with them and discover what they think and what they like. I also like Taizé because there is prayer 3 times a day and part of the prayer is a moment of silence, 10-minute silence, and in my daily life I don't have much silence, so I really love to come here and spend time in silence during the prayers and then talking to people from all over the world outside of the prayers. It's a wonderful place with beautiful surroundings, amazing people and interesting food.
I like it here because it is a place of unity, of real unity, and you meet here real people, not ideologies, but real people, and with each of them you can find a connection, even if they are even non-believers, not Christians. So to experience this unity gives you hope. It is possible for all the people around the world.
Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm from France and Cameroon. Taizé for me means peace, joy, and sharing. That's why I keep coming back here in Taizé, because every time when I come, I feel in peace in myself, peace with the world, peace with people. I can feel that happiness sharing by all the people here in Taizé. And and especially the song of Taizé carry us on that mode of peace and hope of peace in the world. That's what Taizé means for me.
Alright, so what Taizé means to me is literally my life, because my mom and my dad, they met here before I was born. And the first time I came here I was 1 year old. Apparently it was very good because I came back here like 7 times. And I like how it brings me back to simplicity, to humbleness, to the core. And it allows me to be more open to other people, to other perspectives, to be more open to the idea that others maybe have something of interest to share to me. That's my pride and my ego maybe preventing from seeing. So yeah, Taizé means to me a place to meet God in other people.
Taizé is for me a place where I can deeply connect with God by singing in the silence and mostly by talking with other people, by sharing with other people, and that is a good place for me.
Hello, my name is Franziska and I'm here in Taizé, and it is for me the place of freedom and a source for me and my spirit and my faith, and I guess it's like a wellness journey for my inner spirit.
What I like about Taizé is that it's so welcoming and that like children are welcomed as well as young adults and everyone else. It's just so nice, and I made like 2 amazing friends this week. I love Taizé because it helps you go to church more and it helps you understand more about God and Jesus. But also I love how the theatre tells you to helps you to lay solid foundations in your life.
For me, there are two words that describe Taizé: home and hope. The first is home. I've been coming to Taizé now for 29 years. First came here as a 19-year-old and have been coming consistently back to Taizé. And each time I come here, it feels like I'm coming home. Not just coming to a familiar place, but coming back to a spiritual home, a place of encounter with God. So Taizé for me is home. Taizé is also associated with hope. It's a place of great hope for me. It's a place where I meet with other Christians from around the world, people from different churches, different backgrounds, different cultures, and yet you discover that we have so much in common, and it gives me hope for the future of our planet. And so often when we're bombarded with stories that seem so negative about the state of the world, Taizé is a place that renews my hope in humanity, hope in the church, and hope for this world. So for me, home and hope are the two things that sum up what Taizé means for me. Invited.
Announcement.
Go!